If you plan on changing the niche for your TikTok channel, let me tell you right now that TikTok won't allow it because you're gonna have to fight the mighty TikTok algorithm. But don't worry, I'm gonna show you how you can trick the algo machine. Before we head into battle, let me equip you with some weapons. First, if your channel has less than 100 followers, don't bother at all and just start a new account. Second, if your channel is already established in a niche, here is what you can do. I'm going to tell you later what's considered as an established account. So, what is a niche exactly? Think of a niche not as the type of content itself, but as the emotion the content evokes. You don't want to change the emotion of your TikTok channel. If the algo machine expects humorous content from your channel, it will punish you for posting content with other emotions. Suddenly posting funny brain rot memes on a serious business channel wouldn't be very effective against the algo machine. Now that you know what won't work, here's what will work. If you want to switch from your lame Riz app texting videos to something else, keep the same emotion for your new content. Think of other formats that would evoke the same emotion. Maybe you want to post memes with a caption, prank videos, or just go full brain rot. So, choose a different type of format while still giving your already established viewers the emotion which they expect from your original content. You have two methods of doing that. The radical cut. Don't create any more of your original content. Start posting your new content immediately, and don't go back to your old videos. You can leave your old videos online. There is actually no need to warm up the channel, despite what some 14-year-old gurus might say. The smooth criminal method. If you're unsure about the new content, you can slowly slide it in using the smooth criminal method. With this method, it will be much easier for you to position yourself with your new content if you already have an established account. Your account is considered established if most videos consistently get 5,000 views and you have around 1,000 followers. Here is an example of a channel which successfully changed the niche. Originally, this account posted short jokes with AI images. The account then successfully posted a few would you rather videos in between. Because the new format evoked similar emotions, the algo machine let it pass. Next is an example of a failed attempt on the same channel. The creator switched to a movie nostalgia format, similar to channels like Nostalgia Culture. While their usual videos got hundreds of thousands of views, this new format only received a few hundred views. So why do these methods work? There are no official documents from TikTok on this, but the most likely explanation is that the algo machine shows each new video to a group of your followers and non-followers, chosen based on your account's recent activity and performance. If the first group responds positively to the video, with likes, comments, and shares, then it is shown to a second group. If group 2 also reacts positively, the video moves on to group 3, and this continues until engagement drops and the video stops receiving views. This means that even a good video will perform poorly if it's shown to the wrong audience. The best approach for success is to avoid the need to change niches from the start. Make sure you choose content that has been consistently successful over time and avoid pursuing dying trends. A new format normally takes 2 to 4 weeks to become a popular trend. During this time, many creators will jump on the trend, so it may peak for another few weeks. After that, it becomes saturated and starts to decline, making it increasingly difficult for newer channels to attract views. However, there are always exceptions. You can revive old trends with creativity, fresh video elements, and a better approach. Join our exclusive WhatsApp group to stay ahead of the competition.